Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use the function which is called as SUMIFS. If I wanted to add all these numbers, which is sales numbers, I can use the sum function itself. So this is the sum function which I have used to get the total. So this is very easy for me to get the total using sum function. But what if I wanted to get the total sales value of a given representative and also from given region? Say for example, if you have come across some situation like student data or customer data where the customer name is getting repeated and you wanted to find out the sum, the total sum for that particular person. So in this scenario, John's name is repeating. So there are three different Johns who are representing different regions. So Johns are there in central, east and west. So in this particular case, for me to use the sum, it will not give the result. So my requirement is to find out the sales which was done by Johns who is in east region. For that, I need to use the function which is called as SUMIFS. So basically, I can use the SUMIFS function to sum and get the result based on multiple criterias. Let us see how we will be able to use the function SUMIFS and get the desired result. I will use the SUMIFS function and open the bracket. I need to select the range of the sum from where I need to find out the sum of Johns. So I need to give the input, right? So I have to select the sum range. So this is the range from where I need to find out the total for Johns, that too in a particular location. So this is the range. So now I need to enter the criteria. I need to select the criteria. For me, the criteria is I need to find out from east region. For that, I have selected the region itself, right? So in this region, I need to find out east location, east region. Since I wanted to get the total for Johns in east region, I will enter east in double quote. So this is my criteria. Next is for whom I need to find out the total sales value. I need to find out the total sales value for Johns. Then I need to select the range again. So I have selected the range. From this range, my requirement is to get the total sum value for Johns. So I need to get the total sales value for Johns in east location. I will have to enter in double quote. So I need to find out for Johns. Then I need to close the bracket. So I got the total. If I wanted to cross verify, I can filter and I'll be able to select east region. And if I select Johns, so I have filtered for east region and I have also filtered for Johns. If I highlight all the sales value, I will get the total. So this is the total for Johns, which is 19,350. If I So this is the same value which I have got. So if you wanted to do addition based on multiple criteria, you will be able to use SUMIFS function and you will get the desired result using SUMIFS function. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.